The first thing you should do in computer troubleshooting is to make a diagnostic by gathering information. Before you can fix any computer problem, you need first to know what the problem is. You can't fix the problem until you identify it. These are the fundamentals of troubleshooting. Take the example of the doctor. He can't give you a medication order straight away before he can put a diagnostic and identify your disease. The doctor first asks you questions. Then he makes you some examinations. And finally, he gives you the treatment. The same thing is true in computer troubleshooting world. First, start by asking questions. Ask questions to the person that reports the problem to you. For me, there are mainly 4 questions you should ask. The first question is, what's the problem? Describe the issue. Get a clear idea of the problem. A user can say, hey, my computer is slow. You can then ask, is your computer slow when it starts? Or when you open a file? Or when you browse on the internet? For each of those slowness problems, there is a different approach to take to fix it. The second question is, what changed? This is an important question to ask because nothing goes wrong until something has changed. What changed can be a new program that has been installed. It can be a new hardware that has been added. So if the user says that he starts experiencing a problem since he has installed this new software, your action can be installing this new software and see if it has solved the problem. There is a caveat, however, especially for this example. Never install a software before you make sure you can reinstall it and activate the license key properly. Otherwise, you are going to deal with another problem on top of the primary problem. The third question is, when did the problem start? This question can lead you to focus your investigation on a specific time range, especially when you check the log files. If you find some recurrent errors occurring during this time range, this can be a clue you can start from to dig deeper into your analysis. The fourth question is anybody else experiencing the problem? If the first questions didn't help you to solve the problem, this one can, because the more people who are experiencing the same problem, the higher are the chances that someone did find the solution. So by doing a quick search on the web, you can find some blogs or forums that report this issue and give the solution. So the first step in any troubleshooting consists of gathering information by asking questions to diagnose the problem. Once the problem is identified, you can jump to the next phase, which is fixing the problem. In the next lessons, you are going to see some tools you can use to gather information on users' computers. Okay, now let's wrap up. You start your troubleshooting by gathering information to identify the problem. This is the first phase. The second phase consists of fixing the problem based on the information gathered.